Imagine, one day humans will live not only on Earth, but on another planet. A red desert, vast mountains, and sunlight drifting across a different sky. This is not science fiction, this is going to become reality. According to the plan, humans are going to settle on Mars. But why and how will we make it possible?
NASA already outlined several key steps. First, robotic missions, using advanced instruments to study the Martian soil, atmosphere, and search for water. Multiple satellites have been sent to better understand Mars' environment. Next, human missions. NASA plans to send the first humans to Mars by the 2030s. For this mission, advanced rockets, secure spacecraft, and long-term life support systems are being developed. In addition, innovative technologies, producing oxygen from the Martian atmosphere, growing food using solar energy, using inflatable habitats as initial living spaces. A day on Mars is just 24 hours and 39 minutes. A Martian year lasts 687 Earth days. Mars' massive canyon, Valles Marineris, is about 10 times larger than the Grand Canyon on Earth. NASA's Perseverance rover is already searching for signs of ancient microbial life. These facts aren't just fascinating, they could help humans survive on Mars. In this new chapter of space exploration, can we truly succeed? Will humans one day turn Mars into our second home? Would you want to witness the day humans finally live on the red planet? Subscribe, because this incredible journey through the universe has many more discoveries waiting ahead.